safe from harm. I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Each day I play the role of someone, always in control. But at night I come home and turn the key. There's nobody there, no one cares for me. All alone with the sense of trying hard to find good dreams without someone sharing me. Tell me, what does it mean? I wanna run to you.
Bakit lagi pagtaas ang liko? Parang mawala ang liko.
When you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm, I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, will you stay or will you run away? Run away. No, 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 no. I need you here. I need you here to wipe away my tears, to kiss away my fears. No, no, if you only know how much I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. When you hold me in your
Ayaw, oy!
arms and keep me safe from harm, I wanna run to you.
Pabuhatin mo nga.
But if I come to you,
Napalo na.
tell me